Oh. I bet there's stuff to... I don't know. Explore the rest of the city. Wait, have I? No, I still haven't found a golden bolt. It looks more orange to me, but it might be gold. Skip! Stop disguising your extremely long loading screens. A lockpick that looks like a gun reminds me of Devil May Cry, because you get all these like ornamental weapons and staffs, and it says in the description, cannot be used as a weapon. You get all excited because you see it, and then it says that. Nice leaves. Right. Oh, they're back. People just leave money lying around in their streets. What a world. Ah, the lampposts respawn. What a world. So do boxes. I'd rather take damage than get my gun out. No, I don't have the new DMC yet, but I'm not all that interested. Well, I'll probably get it someday, but I'm not in a rush. I still haven't even played 4 yet. Oh! Is it me, or is that a shorter journey this way? No! Get out of Big Al's shop. You're gonna make him very angry.
Try using the
No.
jump feature to climb these boxes.
No, I won't.
Press the R1 button to crouch, then jump.
This game's gonna get too confusing with all its controls to remember. Too confusing for poor little me anyway. Oh! Well, that wasn't very... Oh, it was actually.
You'll need your new Holopack stretch jump feature to cross this gap.
While you're running...
While you're running, crouch using the
Blimey!
R1 and then jump.
Blimey! Actually, it's like Jak and Daxter, so it's okay. Whoop! All this way for a little bit of ammo.
Try using the glide feature of your new
No!
jump, and then press and hold the X button in midair to glide.
Why can't I just do whatever I want to do? It's like the game is playing me. Where did he go? Oh. Doesn't matter as long as I get money. No. I can't just leave a box undestroyed. It's the Crash Bandicoot in me. Money? Om nom! Is that a secret? No, it isn't. I was going to shoot all of them, but I can't be bothered. Welcome back, Mufga. I had a feeling it was the same engine. It certainly feels like well, it certainly feels Jak and Daxter-y, which is probably why this game's so good. Because Jak and Daxter was good. It's also by Insomniac, and we all know what amazing game they made. Oh whoop, oh whoop, oh whoop. Air whoop. Hair whoop. Your hair whoops, no. No, go the other way. It's more fun and challenging. Oh yes, achievement. No, do it without getting hit. Achievement. These are very suspiciously stacked boxes. Thank you very much. Oh, I don't know which way to go. Fine, whatever. It's a thing. Again. When do I get to do something with that? I will trespass into your nothing. Oh, golden bolt. I want. But of course it's just out of reach. It would be. I bet I can't even get to it no matter how good I am at platforming. I'm gonna have to come back later. No. What does it do? Shiny! It's a thingy. It's a precursor orb. He even did the little fist thing, fist pump. But unfortunately that was kind of unsatisfying. It didn't even do a funky little jingle. As in a, you got something special, do do do. So if anybody here... Oi, how did you go through that? Oh well. If anybody here is experienced enough with this game, what do they do for me? What is the significance of the golden bolt? Because I can't wait to find out. As in literally. If I have to wait, I will die. In real life, it's a very bad condition. Whoa! Oh, whatever. I don't know why I ran all the way back here for ammo that I don't need. I see a ship. I can't get in it. Oh! Oh, it's a train. Well, there's a box on it. There's also an info bot. I should probably go and save him. It. Where am I? Oh, there I am. The draw distance hadn't seen me. Get off the train. No ticket. Oh! Hi there, little buddy. Oh, I didn't make it in time. They are very valuable, along with the varying summer normal boats can be traded for gold weapons. Oh, yum! I think I'll have that, please. Where did the info bot go? I didn't even get to see any movie. And he just dropped some mines, so I'm gonna walk on them. Yep. Oh, there you are. Come here. Alright, you don't have to kill him.
Greetings, Executive Chairman Ratchet.
Yeah, hi.
Dispense with the pleasantries, Lieutenant. My sources tell me you're behind schedule.
Schedule?
This planet to be harvested for our new world.
It's called schedule.
As you can see, everything is moving along as planned. I'm counting on you, Lieutenant. And as your former commander can tell you, I don't take disappointment well.
Slit neck.
I won't fail.
Yurek is destroying yet another planet.
Yeah, that's the kind of help he's getting. I don't think we have anything to worry about.
Alright, game's over.
You should not underestimate Chairman Drek. He is quite dangerous. We must find Captain Gorg.
Look, our lieutenant doesn't seem so tough. Let's take him out ourselves.
Perhaps we can persuade the lieutenant to tell us where Drek is.
Now you're talking.
He's just trying to be too hip. With his finger pointing and you the man. I guess he's a likeable enough character though. Yum. Luckily nobody needs to be an expert of any game when we have Wiki. The internet can turn anybody into an expert in a matter of moments.